Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial, I will show you how to restore your backup using Samsung Cloud on Samsung S25 Plus. Let's begin. Now, it is really simple. However, you need to check if you are logged in into your Samsung account. You can also check that here or go to Accounts and Backup, and here you can click Manage Accounts, and as you can see, we are indeed logged in into our Samsung account. And here in the same tab we simply click, and we have two options for Samsung Cloud. First is for backing up data, and second is for restoring it. So we want to click Restore Data. And here we can see that we have one backup of our phone that was made 6 minutes ago. Would you look at that? We click it. Here we can toggle in or toggle out a few things that we don't want to restore. For example, I don't want to restore apps. Or, oh yeah, we have to simply disable home screen and then apps. And as you can see, our data is really small now, because if we enable apps, yeah, that's a lot. So we can disable and enable whatever we want, and after we're done, we simply click Restore. We give our phone a moment, and as you can see, our data has been restored, because before I did indeed had a dark mode enabled when I backed up my data before. So, if you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.